Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. Guys, update here on Ttoo, Ttoo Biosystems trading here on the Nasdaq. Yeah, this looks not good, guys. We have no bullish price action at all here since a few months. Yeah, the last significant spike which we had was here initiated in April. So we have to talk about a potential technical bottom where we could see here a reaction to the upside. I give you here my full prediction based on the chart. Will show you all my drawings here, and this is of course, guys, my opinion based on the technicals, not financial advice. Yeah guys, if you didn't see my previous videos or if you're new to this channel here, welcome. The main purpose is to educate you in trading. I usually do that here talking about short squeeze stocks. Not only I talk about them, I try to predict them. So I will also try to predict you here the technical price level for Ttoo, which I expect the price to go before we maybe see here a technical rebound reaction of a couple of percent or even more than 100%. Yeah, I release here every Sunday my so-called hot stocks, guys. I released just yesterday my brand new hot stock video, and today is Monday, guys. And two of my tickers here, I have three tickers here in this video, and two tickers are already squeezing here. As I said, I try to predict short squeezes. There is no guarantee, guys. Nobody's perfect. But as I said, my video release was yesterday or on Sunday, guys. Yeah, that was the closing candle from Friday. And this ticker is already ripping 203%, and the other ticker also ripped 98% right now. So yeah, guys, it is possible to predict short squeezes in the market. Also the week before I had this squeeze here, also my hot stock squeeze 358%, and the week before we had also two squeezes, 101% and 270%. So this is not a coincidence, guys. When you understand how the technicals work, then you are also able to predict short squeezes. And of course, when a ticker rips 200% or more, you can make a lot of profit out of that if you know how to trade these tickers, guys. If you want to see this content here, my hidden short squeeze stocks, you can join in here the full package membership on Patreon. This is the most popular membership I have, and you get of course full access to all my member videos here, to the hot stock videos, and in addition to my Patreon swing trade alerts. So I post here in addition screenshots with buying liquidity zones, exit price levels, entry price levels, and yeah, this is in addition what I bring here to the hot stocks, and it's not available on YouTube, guys. So that's the reason why the most popular membership is the full package membership here on Patreon. If you want to join in, it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or advanced trader, everybody's welcome, guys. And when you click here this info icon, you will get to the links to sign up for the membership, guys. So let's continue here with Ttoo. I enable now the drawings, and we check what kind of options do we have here based on the technicals. Here we go, guys. So this is the trend channel pattern which is controlling Ttoo. We have to understand that since we had the stock split here back in October 2023, so exactly now a little bit more than 1 year ago, Friday the 13th, that was maybe not a good idea to do it on that day. Of course, this has nothing to do with the date, guys. I'm just kidding. But you can see the price was trading here at $10. I think this was the opening candle here after the split. $10.50, guys. Now we're here at $1.40. So everybody who is back holding here Ttoo has of course a big red number in its portfolio. I always recommend here to my members to work with stop losses, otherwise your portfolio gets killed or can get killed when you bet here on the wrong stocks, guys. And you can see everybody who bought here at the peak or at the stock split day is already here 87% minus. This is horrible, guys. So is there a chance to squeeze? So we have of course here, you can see the trend channel pattern here which is active for Ttoo. Usually we're retesting here the bottom and the top trend line here of this trend channel, but for now you can see the last touch point was here in August. So more than almost here 2 months we had no more touch points. So where we are, guys, yeah, where we are based on the technicals, we can do here a quick Fibonacci retracement and check out what is telling the Fibonacci retracement here. Yeah, and this is why I decided here to do my liquidity zone, guys. There was one chance that we find support here in the $2.40 range to $2.28, and I said when we break this price level to the downside, guys, then it gets really ugly. And you can see there is no stoppage of the price. We're just tanking down. We lost already again 40% since this price range. So that's why we have to talk about the next price levels to the downside, and I will do that here right now. In the background information, the short interest is quite easy we have just here 6.9% short interest of the float. So it's not like that a lot of short sellers are manipulating the price officially. But of course, the stock split, guys, is never in favor for a squeeze, at least not when the company is diluting. And we can see that the actual float for TTO is now 5.1 million shares. Before we had a much lower float here. You can see 3 million shares here after the split. So they diluted, of course, a little bit since then. I mean, 3 million shares before, now we have 5 million shares, and I don't know what happened here in between. I think this was just a glitch, I'm not sure. I saw a couple of stocks which had some wrong numbers here. Of course, that doesn't have to be right what you see here in Fintel, but I rely on that. I use Fintel since many years, guys, and I rely on these numbers. But of course, this doesn't show any kind of synthetic shares and information like that, but the chart is telling us that. So this is the actual float. So we don't have a big float. The market capital is critical, guys. Yeah, $24 million is not that much. So what the company needs to do, yes, we're still trading here above $1, guys, but this is, you can see we have no support at all here in between. And that's why I think, yeah, to be very honest with you, you know, I don't want to scare you and I don't want to hype you up here, but this is the price goal. Or let's see the technical landing zone, which I see for TTOO before I expect here something to happen. We had here a little bit, guys, a little bit of a pre-market price action. I want to show you that. You can see this candle here. So TTO started to move a little bit here, a little bit, yeah, 14%, a little bit, but you can see directly this kind of, yeah, recovering process or this kind of spike here directly gets sold off here, and we are back here at 1.4%. Yeah, trading here in the pre-market is nothing, guys. Yeah, so that's why I think, guys, the landing zone, the technical landing zone, based on the actual price action, and if, of course, TTO is not diluting the stock, I think that we come down here in this green box, guys, and this means a price between $1.12 and 87 cents. Unfortunately, yeah. Normally the $1 price range is very strong, so there is always some kind of technical reactions usually coming up if the company is not diluting the stock, guys. This is why I think we will go here in this green box, and then of course we have some rebound potential. We could see here a 100% squeeze or even more. So let's check the technicals, because we have here some open gaps in the chart. The market makers always leave us some hidden signals, guys. I'm so sorry for my bad English. So, and we can check that out, guys. So, and we can see we have an open gap here at $2.13. And as I said, in my opinion, the normal support price range, this could be a synthetic fake out. We have a lot of red volume here, but I don't know, technically, or based on the background information, it makes just no sense why we don't see any support here. So that could be a synthetic shakeout here. I cannot confirm that, of course. Maybe they are diluting already and just don't announce this yet. I don't know. But it doesn't look like dilution for me, guys, this kind of volume profile. And what we usually have to do is we have to close this open gap at $2.13 at least in the pre or after market. So make sure that your broker supports pre and after market trading if you want to catch that swing trade here. And we see that here based on the actual price, this is already here a potential swing trade of 50%, 60%, or when we go back to the previous support price level, 70%. The EMA 200-day line here in the forward chart is even waiting a little bit higher here at $2.65. So when we come back here in this price range before closing this gap, that is in my opinion a very good potential for a swing trade. As I said, guys, I have to repeat that. That's very important as long as TTO is not diluting the stock. This is what I expect to happen. Of course, when we just start to bounce here and retest the price level, close the gap and come down afterwards, this is not good. I don't want to see that. I want to see that we come down here in this green box and then start to recover. And as I said, the price range is here between $1.12 and 87 cents, guys. Yeah, if you want, guys, you can of course copy the price levels here. You can also see we have one open gap at $4.79, so a much bigger squeeze is also possible, but I don't want to talk about this as long as we don't break the price level here of $2.28. So the price levels, which I think is here $1.12 to 87 cents as a landing zone, resistance $2.28 to $2.40, latest here $2.63, but this is a descending trend line or EMA line here, so that will go down in future. We have an open gap at $2.13 and $4.79. If you want to copy the price levels here, guys, you can of course use here my discount link for TradingView. This is everything based on TradingView, what you see here. I use that program for all my trades and all my videos. And if you want to learn trading, yeah, I mean, there is a reason why I can predict so many squeezes here in the market. Yeah, because I understand the technicals. If you also want to learn that, guys, you can take advantage and get my discount link. When you click also here the info button in the corner, you get access to my TradingView discount link, guys, and you will save $15. And I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. Guys, thank you so much. That was my update on TTOO. I hope that was helpful for you. Thank you so much. If you like this content, guys, if you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you for your time and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute, bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.